In this video, you will learn how to customize a stack bar chart to create a dot and reference line chart by using the formatting panel for visualizations. For reference, this is the chart that we'll recreate where we can see the percentile range, the average manufacturing days fall within the dot and reference line chart. Here is our starting point. In this example, we have a few measures that are percentile ranges for a manufacturing plant. Within here, we are visualizing each percentile as a stacked bar chart, which is also trellised by year. Note that these percentile ranges, which were each created as a calculated column, will represent the reference lines in our chart to our average manufacturing days. Next, we need to create a combo chart. To do so, let's add our average manufacturing days within the same plot area on the secondary axis as a point chart. Let's then reorder our measures in the chart by a quick drag and drop. Now that we have all the elements we need to create our dot and reference line chart, let's start customizing our chart so the visualization looks like our final product. Let's first edit our average manufacturer days measure so it shows as a point in our visualization by right-clicking on the legend and selecting Edit. In your formatting panel, go to the color element and change the fill type and shape color. Now go to Shapes, check the little box, and for type, select Filled. And now our dot reference is visible within our chart. Next, let's edit the percentile ranges so they resemble reference lines in our chart. Select the measure, right-click and edit, and change the fill type to gradient. And also change the colors. These two icons drive the color of the bar chart. Change the left icon to dark and right icon to white, and drag them both to the leftmost side, which will then fade the rest of the bar chart for the selected variable and create a single reference line. Now repeat this for the rest of the variables to create the rest of the reference lines for our chart. Now that we've modified all measures, we now have a dot and reference line chart where we can see the average manufacturing days in reference to the percentile ranges for each year. The last thing we'll do here is clean up our plot area by making some formatting modifications. So go to the formatting panel and first select plot area and go to the y-axis and then check this box to show major grid lines. Next, go to your y-axis and again uncheck this. Same for secondary axis as well as your x-axis. And lastly, let's go to Data Labels. Under Data Label, and let's activate this checkbox so it will show the labels for each one of these variables or measures. Now you can see where the average manufacturing days are with the information in reference to the percentile ranges the user has defined. And that is how you customize a stack bar chart to create a dot and reference line chart with very specific requirements.